we are screen mirroring iPhone to a TV that does not have Wi-Fi, and it's certainly not an Android TV. Yeah, it's pretty cool, doesn't lag, it's really fast.
Hey, what is going on everybody? I'm Riz, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can screen mirror any iPhone, by the way, any iPhone, to your TV that does not have Wi-Fi in it. Yeah, a lot of people have been asking about this tutorial, so here it is. And yeah, let's dive in. Alright, so before diving in, just wanted to say, if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe. A lot of great content coming soon, okay? Alright, so what are the things that you need in order to do this? Okay, so first off, iPhone, any iPhone by the way. Second, you need a TV with no Wi-Fi in it. That's running in the background, by the way. And third is gonna be a streaming device. Now you have multiple options, by the way. You have Chromecast, you have Amazon Fire, and my personally favorite Roku Express device, by the way. Yeah, so by the way, if you want to buy any of these devices, I'll have all the links in the description box below so you can get it for yourself from Amazon. Okay, so why we need a streaming device is because if your TV does not have Wi-Fi built in, that generally means it does not have possibility of connecting any wireless device. It can be wireless speakers, it can be wireless displays like we're doing right now, and a lot of other things, by the way. So that's why we need some sort of a streaming device, okay? So just pick these up for yourself, pretty cheap, by the way. I'll link everything in the description box below, okay? Alright, so now let's jump in. Alright, so once you have everything that I just said, you don't need any third-party apps, by the way. This is completely built into it. Alright, so let's plug this in and let's do this.
Alright, so once you plug your Roku Express in, it should show you a blue LED. That means it's working and up and running, okay? Alright, onto your TV, select the source you plug your Roku Express in. In this case, I chose HDMI 2. There you go. This should look exactly like yours, by the way. Alright, by the way, normal TV remote control doesn't work. You gotta use the Roku Express one here. Alright, so as I said before, this should look exactly like yours if you're using Roku, but if you're not using Roku, that's completely okay. Just follow my steps. It's really easy. Alright, into your network settings, go to just make sure your Roku Express is connected to some sort of a connection. You have multiple options here. You can use Ethernet cable if you want to. You can use Wi-Fi, or my personal favorite, you can also use mobile data. And by the way, if you want to use mobile data, I mean the personal hotspot from your phone, just be careful because it's not free. Depending on your network, this will cost you, okay? So just be careful, don't go crazy with it. All right, as I said before, I've seen a lot of people complaining about this, so that's why. All right, once your TV is connected to the connection, doesn't matter the connection, by the way, just make sure it's connected to something. And now what you want to do is go all the way down and find Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. This is why I love Roku Express, because it supports Android and Apple just alike, okay? So there you go. We have Apple AirPlay. By the way, if you have never done this before, this should look exactly like yours, okay? All right, now onto the onto your iPhone. By the way, here, let's just leave it there. Don't do anything, okay? It's supposed to be like this. All right, so on your iPhone, pretty simple. As I said before, if you're using hotspot, make sure your iPhone is connected to that hotspot. That's really important, because if your iPhone isn't connected to the same connection as your Roku Express is, this is not gonna work. By the way, if you don't have iOS 15, don't worry about it. They just changed the icon of screen mirroring. Or if you don't have iOS 15 at all, or if you're using an older iPhone, it should say AirPlay instead of screen mirroring. So I got iOS 15. There you go. It's a really small icon, as you can see. That's right next to the focus. Just click on it and it will automatically show you your Roku Express 4K device. There you go. Doesn't matter what device you have, but it's connected. It's pretty fast. You have a lot of things. By the way, it works with the lock screen as well. So there, as you can see, pretty awesome, right? And doesn't lag. It's really responsive. And yeah, you can use the camera if you want to. You can play games if you want to. You can even play music, by the way. Yeah, so I really can't show you all the music and everything. You gotta do this your way, okay? So this is it for me. By the way, I'll show you how to exit it, and let me know if you're getting Roku Express in the comment section below. And also, if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely get back to you, okay? And this is it for me. By the way, I do have EndNote at the end of this video, so be sure to check it out. By the way, to stop this, go to the same settings as I said before, and you have the option to stop mirroring. pretty easy, right? When you click on stop mirroring, it will automatically stop, and there you go. You're back to normal.
Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you liked the tutorial, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely get back to you, okay? So this is it. I'm Riz, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.